side hustles for 2024 plus giving reasons. Venturing into a side job or a hustle can be challenging, but do you know what's even more challenging? Never having enough. Human desires are boundless. We yearn for more, not out of greed, but in pursuit of a better life encompassing homes, food, clothing, and leisure. Yet, affordability often restrains us, often due to our jobs not providing enough. That's where the need for extra income through side hustles arises. So gear up and get comfortable as we explore a list of side hustles and the compelling reasons to consider them. Greetings, everyone! Welcome back to Moneymaker Mindset, where we enlighten and educate ourselves on financial matters. If you haven't joined our fantastic community, please hit the subscribe button. We're thrilled to have you. Now, let's dive into a list of side hustles that can serve as a source of inspiration, along with compelling reasons to help you grasp their significance. The first side hustle on our list is launching a YouTube channel. YouTube channel can be demanding in the beginning, but with a meticulous and effective setup, profitability is within reach. To get started, select a niche and maintain consistent content. Craft engaging videos to retain your subscribers. As your channel gains popularity, you can monetize it through YouTube ads, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and more. We've chosen this hustle due to the continuous growth in YouTube's revenue. In 2022, YouTube reported nearly $29 billion in advertising revenue, signifying substantial growth compared to previous years. With its expanding user base and increasing popularity, YouTube is poised to sustain its remarkable growth and generate even more revenue in the future. Be sure to have a slice of that pie. The second enduring side hustle is becoming a video editor. Yes, it involves learning a skill, but the return on investment makes it worthwhile. Numerous free and paid resources on platforms like YouTube can help hone your skills and acquaint you with editing software like Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro. After acquiring the skill, create a portfolio to showcase your work and secure video editing gigs on freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. We've highlighted this skill because there is a significant demand for video editing and producing content for advertisements, YouTube videos, TikTok content, Instagram posts, Facebook videos, and much more. Additionally, video editors typically earn an annual income ranging between $60,000 and $70,000, a remarkable prospect indeed. Stay tuned. It only gets more exciting from here. Another highly profitable side hustle to explore is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you promote products and services through your website. When a purchase is made via your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. This is one of those hustles that can be launched with minimal startup investment and experience while still offering profitability. The market is almost inexhaustible, with thousands of affiliate products available for promotion. What's truly incredible is the growth potential of affiliate marketing. According to a report, the global affiliate marketing industry is projected to reach approximately $14.03 billion in 2023 and $15.07 billion by 2024. These statistics debunk concerns about market saturation, presenting an opportunity for you to try your hand at affiliate marketing and generate extra income. The list of profitable side hustles for 2024 extends beyond those we've discussed here. Options like dropshipping, we've explored in prior videos, creating online courses, copywriting, stock investments, graphic design, and many others await your consideration. Your choice of a side hustle should align with your flexibility in terms of time and location. Moreover, each side hustle carries its set of challenges, and your ability to overcome and adapt to these challenges will ultimately determine your level of success. That wraps up this video. Feel free to share in the comments section the side hustle you're currently engaged in, the challenges you've encountered, and how you've effectively managed them. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you in the next one.